here's another one. Now let's say this one here is finishing off a peyote stitched piece, and it doesn't have an easy, smooth end. You can just put one of those great tubes over the top of. It's got these up and down beads. That's the nature of peyote stitch. So for this one, I would use a slide lock clasp. It's got 5 loops there. I've got 5 up beads. I did this with a very large bead so you can see it easily. And all I have to do is sew that clasp directly onto my finished piece. So I'll go through the loop, through my seed bead, and I'll take several passes of that to make sure it's secure. Go back through my loop and the seed bead. Keeping that all nice and tight. There we go. Ow, and don't stab your finger. Okay, so once you've got all 5 of those loops sewn to your bracelet, you'll finish your thread, just like you do with most peyote stitch projects, by weaving the thread back into your piece. And I'm sure we must have a video on that already. But I will do it because I can. I make a couple diagonals, make it sort of into a figure 8, so the thread backs up onto itself and creates a knot within the piece. And that secures the piece, secures the thread, so you can trim it off and it won't pull out. Nice and secure. You'll do the same thing on the other side. Make sure your clasp is in the right orientation so you can open and close it. And that's one more way to finish a seed bead piece.